welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. For today's video, I have kind of like a 1 hour transformation get ready with me. I'm blonde for today, which I'm going to be talking about in a second, but I basically just show you my makeup, hair, and outfit. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, definitely keep watching. Before we get into the video, I quickly just want to talk about the hair that I'm wearing because this is definitely very different for me. I'm wearing hair from beaufox hair. Basically, I'm wearing their 613. That's like the color. So they're blonde bundles in body wave with the frontal, and they're in 20, 22, 24 inches, and then the frontal is 18 inches. I did cut off a little bit of the ends because I kind of prefer more of like a blunt cut instead of like the tapered. So I decided to cut some of the ends off, but I have to say that this is one of the like healthiest blonde hair that I've tried. It's just like really soft. As you can see, it's super shiny. Straight out of the packaging, like it was already like really soft. And then I went in with a hair dye that was kind of supposed to make it a bit more ashy, which it did a little bit, not exactly. I still have some of the hair left because I did make this wig myself. Let me show you. Let me grab just a small piece. So this is what it was before. So definitely took out a little bit of that like brassiness, I guess. I feel like I might still go in and put some type of like a super ash blonde toner on this because I think that'll look really dope. In this video, I'm not showing you how I applied it because I've done that in so many videos, and it was also a little bit more tricky because it is blonde, so like any dark hair underneath is going to be very visible. So I did this off camera because it was quite a struggle for me, but I am just going to show you how I put some waves in it. I just kind of brushed them out before filming this intro, but I kind of just wanted to give the hair a little bit of wave without making it like super curly. And yeah, besides that, I have nothing but positive things to say about this hair. I definitely think I'll be wearing it a lot more often. I just want to put maybe a different color on it. I think that'll be really cool. I did make this wig myself, as I said, and it was honestly really easy to make. I used almost all of the hair. Like I had like a little bit of the last bundle left, but I basically tried to put everything in, so that makes the hair so full. And yeah, I think that if you're trying to go for like a blonde wig, try to go maybe platinum or put like a color in this. I think this hair is definitely amazing for that, and you'll just get like a super nice and full wig out of it. Yeah, absolutely love this hair. I will leave all the links down below and all the information to it.